The next topic is your ways to cope with droughts. Droughts, when there is no rainfall and the land it cracks up and you have no vegetation, no plants growing over there, so that kind of an area become a drought prone area. So what are the measures you should take in the drought prone areas? This is what we are going to read here. Droughts are natural hazards which are mainly caused due to the scarcity of rainfall. Scarcity means when there is less of rainfall, very less of rainfall. बहुत कम बारिश होती है. Droughts cannot be prevented, but some steps can be adopted to reduce their intensity and the damage that they may caused by them. We cannot stop the droughts not to occur, but we can take some measures to save ourselves from the droughts. Put number 1 on the first point. The best way to fight drought is to practice rainwater harvesting, especially in those areas where they are most likely to occur. Rainwater harvesting basically means collecting and storing water for later use. Underline this line. Rainwater harvesting basically means collecting and storing water for later use. It also helps in increasing the level of groundwater. We have already discussed about rainwater harvesting, that all the water which falls anywhere, there has to go inside the ground level. Like on the terrace, you have to make such arrangements that you connect a pipe which is going inside the ground, so that all the rainwater which is falling on the terrace should go and straight away go inside the ground. So what will happen? The groundwater level will increase, okay, and automatically as the groundwater level will increase, you will have no problem of water because you will have lots of water stored under the ground, okay. So that is why they have said rainwater harvesting basically means collecting and storing water for later use, okay. Then put number 2. Afforestation or planting of trees, underline this, afforestation or planting of trees should be encouraged to conserve water and increase the chances of rain. So you have already done about afforestation, means that you should plant trees. As more and more trees will be planted, automatically the problem of drought will finish. Number 3, write number 3. Small dams should be built to store water in sufficient quantities. That means you should build dams. Number 4, write number 4. People in drought prone areas should reduce their dependence on agriculture and animal husbandry and focus on other means of livelihood. That means all the people who are staying in the areas where you don't have rainfall, they should just move away from the occupation of agriculture and animal husbandry. Animal husbandry means keeping animals as their pets and then going and selling the products which you get from those animals. So people living in those areas which are drought prone areas should not do the occupation of agriculture and animal husbandry, but they should go and join some other jobs. They can go for some other means of livelihood, because there is no water, there is no rainfall. So if the rainfall is not there, then automatically the agriculture will not be possible, okay. So they should shift their focus from agriculture and animal husbandry to some other means of livelihood. उनको कोई और काम करना चाहिए rather than agriculture or animal husbandry, okay. Then number 5, put number 5. Farmers should be encouraged to grow more drought resistant crops rather than those crops which depend heavily on rain. That means farmers should grow those crops which do not require lot of water, okay. If they grow crops which require lot of water, then automatically those crops will not survive. तो farmers को ऐसे crop grow करने चाहिए जिसको ग्रो करने के लिए हमें कम से कम पानी की, कम से कम बारिश की ज़रूरत पड़े, okay. Because if we have those kind of crops growing which require less rainfall, then they will be able to grow some crops at least, okay. Otherwise they will not be able to have any kind of vegetation. So farmers should focus on growing those crops which require less amount of water. So this was all the measures which you should take during the drought, or if you are staying in a drought prone area.